Hi, I'm Christian, co-owner of Bearline Studios and inventor of the track system. We are today here to install this house, 450 feet of Jasco lights.
And I'm Marco. I'm the Bird Light System Pro installer here in Florida, so we are gonna help them out today.
You always receive your kits like this. You have the kit at the bottom that includes the hooks, mounting tools, instructions, tracks are on top.
So we're gonna do an unboxing of the tracks and then we're gonna show off how they work.
So you start opening the box at the bottom, get this out, and then we have the tracks here. We have two sets here, 100 feet, 100 feet. And here we have our bear hugs and more kit. Going to open that up. So in the kit we have instructions with a short tool list here. We have links to some instructions, other installation videos, models of the tracks. Some quick tips over here, also some with links to videos. Then the second part we have in here are our bear paths. So it will help you installing the tracks, keeping the right distance, keeping them aligned everywhere. We have two different versions. We have the normal consumer edition. This is a little bit lighter, it's meant for one-time use. They are industrial compostable. This is the Pro Installer edition. They are reusable. That's glass fiber and reinforced ABS. So those are really solid. And then we have the bear hugs. So the Jasco lights clip on here, no stickers, nothing, they just clip on, and then you take the hug and clip it into the track. Okay, let's get our tracks out. Try to keep the box in shape in case you have to return them if they have shipping damage. Just cut them there. And we do the same on the other side. As mentioned before, these are two kits, 100 feet each. You can put the tops on side. So we have here one track assembled, so they look separately. And if you put them on easy, just go over it. Snap in. That's it. That's how the Jasco lights come. So we have 90 lights, 82.5 feet, 25.1 meters. In the box we have some cable clips, we have some more screws, then we have the controller and power supply, and then they come with these clips, which are usually for mounting. We don't need this. We have two extensions, and then of course the lights. And as mentioned before, we have our hooks and the light and the ring. Just clip it in, and it's nice and secured. So the Jasco kits come with screws included. You can use them, they are self-drilling, but they are a little bit small. These screws are a little bit bigger. Number 8 3/4 self-drilling screws. They hold the track a little bit better, they have a little bit bigger diameter, so they grab also into vinyl soffits and thin aluminum soffits a little bit better. So these are the recommended ones for mounting the track.